Hey, it's Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, down here at Wheels Through Time in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. For the last several days, we've been working on a early panhead, well, not so early, but a panhead that Paul Ousey had found in the basement of an old house. Dragged it out, hadn't been started, I don't know, 20, 30 years. Brought it down here. We've been working on it for a day and a half. We think we got it pretty well dialed in now. Yes, you can read about it in the pages of American Iron Magazine, but much better, let's hear it run. We can do that on video. So let's see if we can get Paul. I think Paul is going to start it. Maybe Dale. We'll find out in a moment. Here you go from Wheels Through Time, North Carolina.
One kick, no throttle.
One kick, no throttle. There you have it. One kick, no throttle. Now, right now, it does have a Mikuni carburetor on it. It's had that Mikuni on there for years, so we rebuilt it, left it alone.
Straighten it out before you put it in gear.
Well, that thing sounds healthy. Well, he's out of range now, but I suspect he'll be back in a minute. A couple things we did have to do. We found that the primary was all sealed up, in which case it's a tin primary. It's designed to leak, but it didn't leak. And when we opened it up, we got a lot of water came out, a lot of oil came out. Well, here he comes. '62 Harley Panhead.
How is it? It runs great. It bogged down one time, but I didn't realize that my pants was getting sucked into that Mikuni carburetor. It does run good. Yeah. Crank it up again. One kick, no throttle.
One kick, no throttle. Here we go.
That's Paul Ousey on the bike and Dale Walksler there. Also, we had Panhead Jim working on this. Right now, we still don't have the horn. We'll put that back on. We took it off to do the cardboard, and there's no air cleaner. But other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. What do you say, Paul?
Awesome!
Yeah?
Dale Walksler's the man.
What do you say, Dale?
I think it's going to run good. Oh, that clutch is nice.
Yeah, what a difference.
And there we have it, another Panhead project, another Panhead dragged out of a basement and put back on the road. Once again, Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, AIMAG.com. Maggie Valley, North Carolina.